Okay, steps undertaken to create awareness among people. Now, what are the different steps that have been taken into consideration in order to create awareness? First, one person, any person in this world, is surrounded mainly by the parents, by the teachers, relatives and friends. ये चार प्रजाति ऐसे हैं जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं एक बच्चे के अंदर किसी तरह के अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सेक्स एजुकेशन इन स्कूल, इट शुड नॉट बी नेग्लेक्टेड. एज सून एज पॉसिबल दिस शुड बी इनकलकेटेड इन द स्कूल एंड इट इज़ डन सो, है ना. Students are getting aware about what is the difference between sex, what is gender and what is copulation. We understand the difference. Okay, so it is very important to have an education given in the school, educating people, especially couples, okay, about contraceptives. Okay, what are contraceptives? The methods or the techniques that are employed to prevent pregnancy. Okay, care of mother and the child, how a mother should be taken care of after her delivery or before the delivery, and even after she gave birth to the child. So matam matam nahi, sorry, postnatal care to the mother and to the child should be given. Breastfeeding should be done up till 6 months. Equal opportunity for the male and the female child. Okay, now let's begin. Population stabilization and birth control. Now, students, what do we understand by the term population? Population is increase in the number of people in an area, country or state. कितना नंबर ऑफ पीपल हैं, है ना, प्रेजेंट हैं या वहाँ इंक्रीज हो रहा है, दैट इज़ पॉपुलेशन. जैसे अर्लियर इन इंडिया इट वॉज अबाउट इन मिलियंस. ओके, मतलब द राइज इन पॉपुलेशन के पीछे रीज़न क्या है कि there has been a decrease in mortality rate. Okay, infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, there's a decline because of good health facilities. So ये सारे reasons हैं for the increase in population. Okay, the less use of contraceptives, less awareness among people can be another reason why the population is increasing. And even when the resources are at abundance, okay, but ये scarcity हो जाएगा students अगर population keep on increasing at an alarming rate. Okay, so what the next topic that we need to consider is what are contraceptives to prevent pregnancy and conception. Okay, contraceptives are used, and when we say ideal contraceptive, तो ideal contraceptive क्या होता है? ऐसा contraceptive जो user friendly हो, one could that could be self inserted, easily available हो, cheap means financial रूप से सस्ता हो, cheap हो. Next is does not interfere with the sexual drive of the user. With sexual drive of the user. Drive of user. Okay, so ये ऐसा नहीं हो कि and it should, if it is like ideal contraceptives should be reusable if it is possible. Reusable. So there are different types of contraceptive methods. One is natural, another is surgical method, then is barrier, IUDs, intrauterine devices, oral pills and implants. So in the next class we will discuss each one by one all these contraceptive methods. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.